Hello. In this video, I will show you how to create a Microsoft Fabric report on top of huge volume of data. So here from my workspace, I can here use the task view to directly go in my lakehouse and to design a new semantic model by using this button from my lakehouse. So by clicking here, I can just, of course, give a name and pick the tables that I would like to add in my semantic model. Then from here, I am in my semantic model designer. I can do any kind of enrichment, but here I will create a link between my two tables. So just pick the right cardinality. And here I will just check that I've got a one-to-many relationship. So of course I can add the measure, stuff like that. But here, what I would like to do right now is to create a new report. So just click on the new report button. And now we land in the report designer. So here I've got two tables in my semantic model. So let's imagine I would like to design a very nice report. So for instance, I can use the flag as a slicer. So if I click here, I can bring the flag on my here on my view, and I can add as a slicer by clicking here. But you can notice here, this is the link. So at any time, you can go back here in your semantic model and in an advanced option to add a category for this link and saying, hey, it's a image URL. So now if I switch back to my report designer and refresh it, I get a beautiful flag right over there. So what I can do now, I can add my measure here in my report. So actually this measure, it's for each row. I've got, it means that it's a visit. So any time I've got a customer visiting my website, I've got a new row. So it means if I change to a card and modify a little bit the callout value, 2 million, for instance, I can show you here the number of rows in my dataset. So what I can do now, let's imagine I would like to create now a map based on a country, and I would like to have the visit count by country, for instance, the sum of the visit by country. And I can also on the fly create a hierarchy in case I would like to drill through up to the cities. I can also add a new visual here for the browser type, like this, and again, add my measure. So what you can see very quickly, it's as I am using direct lake mode on top of my lakehouse, even if I've got a huge volume of data, my report is super reactive. Of course, I can use my slicer to go in specific country. And last but not least, as I created a hierarchy for this visual, I can at any time click on this arrow and drill down to the cities right there. And I can go to a specific one if I would like to see the number of visits, for instance, to Montreal like this. Thank you for watching this video.